I'm representing the family in this issue. We have had the postmortem report, the postmortem done on the two bodies, one for Benson and the other one for Emmanuel. Benson, who is the older son of the family, his body had head injuries. There were broken ribs, and then there were injuries at the leg, and there were bruises in the body. The injuries in the head were from a hard object that hit them. They are all over the head, from the back, the side. It's like he was being beaten all over his head, from this side, and then over the back. With the Emmanuel, the young son, he only had injuries at the head. There were no bruises. So the issue of him jumping from the vehicle is neither here nor there. There are even no bruises in his body. So the only injuries in his body, as per the postmortem report, is the injuries that are in his head.
The pathologist, Dr. Mwangi, Embu was represented, that is Independent Medical Legal Unit, was represented by Dr. Ndegwa and Doris Namu, who is the Embu representative, and we also had IPOA, and it was successful, and we were all in agreement with our findings.
Postmortem has been done, and we are grateful to God. We know He's a real God, and we believe the truth will come out soon. As a family, we are only crying to our government. We know it is able, and we want them to do investigation. If there is anyone involved, let them be taken to court so that our late children can get justice.